go. Bill is baking cupcakes for his class. He wants to use 22 sprinkles on each cupcake for his class. If he has 16 scholars in his class and each will get one cupcake, how many total sprinkles will he need? Go ahead and annotate, please. Hands down. Go ahead and annotate, please. 30 seconds. Remember, you're circling the important information and you are underlining the question. Thank you, Julia. Thank you, Lehana. Thank you, Jojo. Thank you, David. About 10 more seconds, please. Circling important information, underlining the problem. All right, help me out here. What is it that we need to make sure that we know in order to solve this problem? What's the important information here? That's it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, getting better. Lehana.
Circle 22 sprinkles.
22 sprinkles on each cupcake. That's
Yes.
okay. So for one cupcake, how many sprinkles are on that?
22. Only 22.
That's right. So one cupcake has 22 sprinkles. Anything else?
16 scholars.
16 scholars.
And then underline how many total sprinkles will he need.
How many total sprinkles will he need? Finger on representation.
Finger on representation.
Finger on representation.
Finger on representation.
What does it mean when it says representation? We talked about this yesterday. What am I looking for? Avery.
They're going to show the equation.
Say it louder.
They're going to show the equation.
What are we looking for, Dela? What are we looking for, Delia?
Equation.
The equation, right? What is the equation to solve? Yes? Okay, 20 seconds. Go. Write the equation down.
22.
Make sure that you're conferring with your
22
partner.
times 16.
You guys should have the same equation, right?
22 times 16.
No. Because it says that 16 of the scholars are each getting one. Right? So there's 16 scholars that each getting a cupcake with 22 sprinkles on it. No, it's okay to work on it. I'm not asking you to solve the problem. Najee, what's going on? You should be talking to Xavier to make sure you have the right representation.
It's not that. What is?
You don't need to solve it, I just need to see the equation. Xavier, can I see? Can you talk to Najee, please? Because he...
Which one? 22.
Tell him why.
Because it says 22 sprinkles and 16 scholars.
I'm not asking you to solve.
Each cupcake.
Alright, class.
Yes, yes.
Alright, what is the representation that you and your partner have decided on to solve this problem? What's the representation here? Track Jaden.
Track Jaden.
Wait a second. Should be turning your body.
It is 22 times 16.
What do you think? 22 times 16. But tell me why. Why does that make sense? Why is this a multiplication problem and not an addition problem, not a subtraction problem, not a division problem? Why is it 22 times 16? Xavier?
Because in the problem it says
Track Xavier.
Track Xavier.
Brianna.
Because in the problem it says 22 sprinkles on each cupcake and 16 scholars.
Say it again.
It said in the problem it says 22 sprinkles on each cupcake and 16 scholars.
So there's 16 scholars, right?
Yes.
How many sprinkles are each scholar gonna get?
22.
How many sprinkles does she get?
22.
How many sprinkles does she get?
22.
How many sprinkles does he get?
22.
How many sprinkles does he get?
22.
How many sprinkles does he get?
22.
What's happening? What do we call this?
Repeated addition.
Repeated addition. What is that?
Multiplication.
It's multiplication, right? So instead of doing 22 plus 22 plus 22 plus 20, which takes all day, right? Instead of doing that, what can we do? David.
22 times 22. No. 22. No.
Say it again. It's okay.
22 times 22 times 22.
No, we're not doing 22 plus 22 plus 22 plus 22 plus 22. That's repeated addition, right?
Yes.
We're not going to add 22 16 times. Because we know, because we're fourth graders, that repeated addition is what?
Multiplication.
It's multiplication. Najee, focus. Mr. Fuentes, off task for Najee, please. It's multiplication, right? So instead of doing 22 plus 22 plus 22 plus 22, blah, 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 right?
Yeah.
We can do something very simple, which is what? Trying to talk to your partner, 5 seconds, go.
She said 22.
I didn't get to reset my brain.
Getting better. David, instead of doing 22 plus 22 plus 22 plus 22, we can do what?
22 times 16.
That's right, 22 times 16. Nice job, okay? All right, guys, so here we have a grid and we have the area model, okay? In order to do the area model, we need to first draw out our rectangle. In our notes, let's go ahead and write our steps for how to do an area model. So write steps.
Steps.
So here's our steps for our area model. Step number 1. What was step number 1 in order to start an area model? Brian.
We needed to find out how is the problem multiplication.
Okay, so we find out what the problem is, right? Okay, we got that, right? What's the next step then?
The next step is to multiply.
Not yet, you're going too far. Think about what we talked about, not yesterday, but the day before yesterday. We already talked about the steps of how to do an area model. Go back in your notes. That's why you have notes. Go back in your notes and find it. This is why it's important to take notes. Avery.
You draw a rectangle.
Yes, step number 1 is to draw